Iimbalo zezinga lobulelesi zethule ngungqongqotjhe wamapholisa zithuse amalungu wePalamende. Ngendlela kumbi ngakhona amalunga la athi inarha yeSouth Africa seyiphenduke indawo yobulelesi. Phakathi kaTjhirhweni noNtaka kubikwe izehlakalo zokukata ezi-10,818 kwabulawa abantu abangaphezulu kwenkulungwane ezisithandathu kufaka abantwana abama-223. Amalungu wePalamende athi isikhathi sokuthi kuphenywe ngokungeneleleko unobangela ukukhuphuka kangaka kobulelesi. Ihlangano ithi isikhathi sokubana ungqongqotjhe ubheka icala athokoze umsebenzi. Ikomidi eqale iindaba zamapholisa ePalamende iyavuma bona kufuneka bona kuhlolisiswe umsebenzi wamapholisa.
The overall increase of 9.3% in the reported crime statistics is a serious concern. This committee has to take note of it, and I think that our response to this has to be firm, and I think we need further oversight on this matter.
Our country has become a crime scene where kidnapping has increased by over 100% year to year. This is an absolutely shocking crime statistic. Murder up over 20%, sexual offences up. It's a bloodbath, Chairperson.
Especially when we look at crimes against women and children. We are crying every day, but it seems as if we are failing. The criminals are winning.
What is most disturbing for me, Chairperson, is when we come to women and children, where, for instance, the murder of children with an increase of 37.2% and on women 17.5%. Now, if we look at the figure of children, I say it's most disturbing.
It would be an understatement to say we are disappointed. The stats, these crime statistics, indeed are a clear indication that the police are losing the fight against crime. And it would not be helpful to be told that the police are not losing the fight against crime. The figures speak for themselves. They are very, very disturbing.
Amalungu ePalamende avumelene bona kufuneka umhlangano omunye lapho kuzokuqozulula bekukhulunywe ngeembalo zobulelesi enarheni yekhethu le. Amalunga la athi kumele kuqalwe indlela ebangasiza ngazo amapholisa.